how to fix this problem. So before we do that, let's talk about why this problem is occurring on your account. So this is basically because if you are on Instagram all the time and you've been liking every post, every reel you see, and let's say if you see 500 reels per day and you're liking all of them, then Instagram will find it suspicious because it might think there might be some bot involvement on your account. So they will flag your account like this and limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, like to follow people, to like certain posts. And this might also be because if you have been spamming comments nonstop on different posts that you see throughout your feed, then Instagram will flag your account as well. And if you have been following a lot of people continuously, then also Instagram will do the same. Now, in order to solve this problem, what you can do is head over to your Instagram profile first. And from here, all you want to do is tap on your menu section, and then you can head over to your account center. So the first thing you want to do is go to password and security and see where you're logged in, because if you are logged into different accounts and different devices, you might want to log out of all of those accounts from here. And after you do that, I suggest you change your password as well, because someone else might have been on your account doing all of those stuff. And once you do that, what you can do is just head over to this. And once you get to your settings, you can just scroll down and get to help. And from here, you can report a problem. And from here, just tap on report. Now, here you just have to ask them a few questions and then explain your problem to them, and then just send your request saying that you have not been doing anything suspicious and your account is totally normal. And after that, Instagram help and support team will contact you in few days. They should bring you a possible solution as well. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.